Every one of our products comes with a finite shelf life when the lid is sealed at the factory. Once that lid is opened, things start to happen unless you take care to keep the lid on tight after use. For water-based adhesives, this is straightforward. Once you're finished using the adhesive, put the lid back on tight and make sure it's sealed. This is not the same as being factory sealed, but it will help extend the useful life of the adhesive instead of letting it dry out. Keep in mind that once you open a bucket of water-based adhesive and then use a portion of it, you create a much larger headspace on the top of the adhesive mass inside the bucket. This headspace is very humid, and because you have opened it up to the atmosphere, you have also opened it up to the risk of contamination with mold and bacteria. Mold and bacteria love a nice moist environment to grow in, so whatever you do, do not scoop up unused adhesive and place it back into the bucket. Also, keep the lid on tight to avoid exposing the adhesive to dirt and debris. For reactive adhesives like urethane or modified silane wood flooring adhesives, putting the lid back on might not be enough to keep the glue from curing out. For these products, we recommend putting a piece of plastic directly onto the surface of the exposed adhesive. This will keep moisture from touching the glue, which can cause the product to cure. Yes, you would lose a little adhesive when you remove the plastic, but it will be a lot less than if you left these products open to atmospheric humidity, which could cause several inches of the product to cure. Two-part reactive adhesives should never be resealed after you mix them together. These products are reactive and typically put out a lot of heat during curing, so do not leave them in the bucket after you mix them. Get them out on the floor and spread them out. If there is any remaining product, dispose of it over a large area so it does not heat up and cause a problem. For more information about storing our adhesives, please call our product support group or visit our website.